Today I thought it might be interesting to share with you a little excerpt from one of my online lessons. If you've never had an online piano lesson, you might wonder, how does this work? Might be hard to visualize this. If all you've done is in person, or maybe you've never had a piano lesson at all, this is kind of a little sneak peek behind the scenes. One of my students, Jamie Price, has been more than gracious enough to be willing to share some of our time together and just give other adults an example of what this can look like. Now, you may notice that her camera setup is a little bit different. I really like this, actually. The fact that she's got an overhead camera allows me to see her hands on the piano, and I can help her much more specifically with fingerings and so forth. If you're working with a camera that's off to the side, that's fine too. If we need to go more in depth, that's something I can always let you know about, but I'm sure that's one question that's going to come up. So we had actually, our lessons are typically about 45 minutes, and this is just bits and pieces out of the conversation we were having kind of as we were going through her lesson. So you'll see bits and pieces of her playing. You'll see me making some comments and adjustments. And Jamie has a gift for really being able to articulate what's going through her mind, how she's learning. And I think it's just a great opportunity to share with you what goes on in a lesson and just let you see. So I hope you will enjoy this conversation between me and Jamie.
When I first started this, I would get lost and I'd have to start all over again.
Yep.
I was able to get lost and find myself again.
Yeah. And every time you get lost is an opportunity to get found,
Yeah.
basically.
Yeah.
But
But
you
that's
practice
it.
finding yourself. That
Yeah.
literally is what it is. And you get quicker and quicker at it. So when you do get lost, it's not such a big deal. It's like, I can find this.
That seems like so subtle a thing, but
Uh-huh.
the ability to do that, knowing how hard that was,
Right. Yeah.
is
There is definitely something going on there.
that is huge. I mean,
Yeah.
the fact that I was anyway, that
Yeah,
feels
just
like
knowing where you're at and being able to find that. It's
yeah,
all about, I oftentimes talk about as being like a sixth sense as
yeah.
to where your hands are on the keyboard.
But to quickly get it, that is something I felt like was just, it was going to be, maybe that's an expectation I had, that I just thought that was going to take so long for me to be able to confidently do, but to be able to,
Right.
like, and I thought, it's just, it's hard, it'll get easier, but
Oh, yeah. Well,
but
unlike everything else, but yeah,
right,
it's definitely a skill, and some of these skills are so subtle
yeah,
that they're very hard to put into words.
they are,
And it's so much fun to work with my adults because you guys are able to articulate things
right.
on like a
Maybe
whole other level,
it
basically.
it is to pick it up, or to feel that click into place and realize, like, oh, you were starting over totally last week
Right.
when you first started that. So
Oh, yeah, absolutely. And to be able to now have that at least even semi sense of where you are. And I think you've got
yeah,
a pretty good sense, actually.
it
And
does.
we just
And you
keep
know what?
building it.
It's also building as I'm working with the vocal. I'm singing, not ingrain the correct.
Exactly. Slow is smooth and smooth is
Yep.
fast. So,
Harder, not smarter.
right,
The
exactly.
other way around.
Smarter, not harder.
Half the time I feel
Well, it
like
depends on the day.
harder. I know, right? So, I mean, the end
Right?
result is sometimes that I work harder and not smarter.
I do
But
that all the time.
oh yeah, I hear you. I feel like
Oh,
this got better too. Also, my hand just
I
uh
gotta go.
like that sixth space. I think I
Yeah,
needed to strengthen that.
that is
So
a different, definitely a different feeling in there for
yes,
sure. And you just have to get used to really all of the intervals have their own feeling.
right.
And it's just the muscle memory to remember which one is where and when and but you'll get there because you're doing
Yeah,
all the right things.
we're
So,
getting there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stop.
exactly. All right.
Now I'm gonna drive it off the cliff. Okay. Oops, I'm not in the. Sorry.
That's okay. like the nice retardando at the end. You're way more in control of that one.
It felt good to take command of that. Whereas
Yes.
I felt like I was stumbling through it before.
Mm-hmm.
And this, though, felt like I was in command of it, not me
Excuse me.
chasing after, if that makes any
Yeah,
sense.
it's you're not
Like,
chasing
my
your
hands
tail
were
anymore.
cooperating.
It's
Right.
like, yeah, and it's worth holding out for that control because once you feel it, it's like, oh, now I get
Well,
that feeling.
and that control with the sixth also it's making everything with like the well, all the things that have six in them,
Oh, absolutely.
including the recital piece leading.
Yes. And that's something you're going to run into all the time. So the more you get comfortable with that, just the better everything's going to be. So, oh,
No, goodness gracious.
okay. So
Dog fight.
how hard or easy is this one to count?
um I think that it can be it seems easy until you are thinking about the crossover
Uh-huh.
and making all the notes easy.
Yeah, because I wonder about just counting or counting out loud because we're not bad. We're just maybe not quite as even as we could be.
Okay.
So if we thought something
It's the
one and
crossover.
two and three and four and one and two and three and four. So yeah, I maybe would just try it slower and with some ands or
Yeah.
subdividing.
Okay. I think on both of them I'm trying to speed them up before I have
Uh-huh.
down.
Yeah, it's like the
And
fingering is kind of breathing down your neck, maybe.
yep. Yeah. And I'm going to worry less about getting it up to speed than with these
Yeah,
as they're
speed
like
is always the last
flat.
thing.
Okay. Okay.
You do everything else because
Plus,
if you
I mean,
layer
it
in,
is also fun to play,
oh, it's a cool
but
song.
I can see, I mean, well, this is exactly what happens when you try to speed it up before you're ready.
Right.
So that
Yeah.
makes sense.
Because if
Yeah.
you think about your notes, your counting, your fingering, your dynamics, if you get all of those things down at a relatively slow rate, each time you layer them in, you know them that better.
Right.
So speed really is accuracy. So the more accurate you are,
That makes
eventually you will go faster.
right. That's what and when you know it well enough, you can play it
Hmm.
easily with speed. So
Right.
I don't think speed for me should be like a goal per se because
Not
it's an
necessarily.
ancillary. It's going to happen.
I mean, eventually we'll try to do some that are fast just because we want to see if we can test that. But fast, like I said, comes down to accuracy. So,
Right. A higher priority is the accuracy. I will focus
hmm
on that. Versus just stick here then.
yeah, I kind of think
Okay.
so. And that's not a bad thing because as
No.
we get to this level and beyond, I would expect that to start happening
Oh,
more and more.
yeah. I do. Just because also some of these things are like so complex that
Oh gosh, yeah.
they just take time. Like I'm not kidding. That finger power stuff was like, it felt like such a
Yep.
huge wall to get myself over. But then once I was over it, well, I mean, it paid
Right.
off. It showed me right
Oh,
away,
it does. I mean,
you
it
know.
absolutely pays
So
off in some amazing skills. Good old Sham knew what he was doing.
yes, for sure. Okay. So jaded, and I am really happy with where I'm at. I'm really excited. There's more to come, but
Oh, yeah, we're just starting to scratch the surface as to the
I'm
cool things you're
very
going to
excited
do.
about that. But I'm also really happy with the rate of progress as well.
Hmm.
It feels rewarding. It doesn't feel like it feels hard, but it's not too hard where it's discouraging. I'm also
Right.
super stubborn and weird like
Well,
that.
I
That
am
like
too.
something's hard and I think I can do it. I'm like, prove to me I can't, right?
That's right. Oh, just tell me I can't.
So right,
I dare
right.
you.
I will show you. Yes. So I feel like it's been the perfect balance of everything,
Well,
and
that's really great. But that's also a reflection of your time put in, doing
it
things.
is, it is, and my true genuine joy of it. Like
Oh, yeah.
I mean, for an intrinsic reward to put something like so much time and energy, and then to also get rewarded in such a way that nothing else has ever in my life been like this.
Right.
It feels like a relief, like a gift, like uh, that I gave to myself, right?
Yeah.
Which is
Oh,
better. But
absolutely.
yeah,
Just, I know how crazy it was raising kids and going
yeah,
to school and working a couple jobs. And, I was ready to lose my mind.
yeah.
And to find 10 or 15 minutes for myself here and there was just
Huge.
absolute gold.
Yeah.
So,
And the
I,
fact that I can connect with my children over music, which is something that I did in different ways in my household
mhm,
with my parents, right? Um,
absolutely.
and then to be able to have that be something where they're working on something and they'll go, "Mom, I'm stuck."
Right? And you can
And now
help.
I am just barely above them, but I can
Uh-huh.
usually figure out what it is that they're stuck on.
Right.
Like, oh, your hand position is here because it's level one, whatever stuff, right?
Right. But then that's helpful
But
too, because then you have to be able to teach them or,
right,
articulate it, which is the
yeah,
greatest thing about my adult students is you guys can really tell me what's going through your head.
right,
And then that just helps me refine the process that much more.
right. Right, and the fact that I was able to identify, you know what? I think I'm probably trying to speed these up before they're ready. I
Mm-hmm.
think I'm probably putting too much pressure on
Right.
myself. Like, I didn't
Exactly.
notice I was doing that. It's because if I were doing this by myself, I could keep doing that wrong for,
Right. I mean, you can watch all my videos and everything else, which is great, but that's the thing I recommend with the course too, is that
yeah.
people pop in and get a lesson from time to time for those exact reasons of that timely feedback, because you don't know what you don't know sometimes.
No, and you'll get stuck. You could be injuring yourself if you're like,
Uh-huh.
you know what I'm like,
Well, get a
naturally
lot of tension or something,
chaotically.
or
Oh yeah, like I mean, I could see how when I was trying to play the crossover and I would cross with the two, and then I was going, "Rah, rah, 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 rah." I mean,
right.
if I did that for 20 years and had
Right.
that kind of wear and tear, but it also limits your ability to play certain pieces, or I can see how that
Exactly.
would.
And you might not know that's what you're doing, but I would spot it in a second
Right,
and
exactly.
we
And
would
those
fix
second
that.
steps,
Absolutely.
and then to be able to also have your expertise and background about what to do, like
Hmm.
the playing with separate hands, slowing things way down, um,
Right.
working with the metronome, like those are those finer pieces that someone
Oh,
also may not get,
absolutely.
you know,
And that's
trying to do it
just
on their own.
that's what I'm here for, and I can make it as convenient as possible. And,
Right,
there are a lot of ways to learn. But
right.
yeah, no, this is super cool. I really appreciate it. I think we have a lot of fun. So,
We do. I'm super thankful for it because honestly, I don't know how I'm holding it together this well, and it's because of piano and music and the fact that I also feel like I have something or a hobby that
mhm.
provides. I mean, teaching is also rewarding or
Oh, it
help.
is. But
This is something that is something I've always wanted to do, and the
mhm.
fact that it is something that has also become such a great joy and something that I am um, loving doing,
Right.
right?
It's
But
a
also
creative
having
outlet.
right and having success like
Hmm.
in building these skills also feels rewarding. And
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
I'm somebody that always needs to be learning something, and so
I
this
am
feels
too.
it is very fulfilled by this, and I feel grateful, honestly, that it's a part of my life. So thank you for doing
Well, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. It's cool we can connect over this, and I hope
it.
we
It is.
can continue to do it for a long time because there's
And
so many cool things in piano. I just can't wait to show
are.
you all the things.